So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher Express 60 blinking and beeping. Quick reset and causes. So fix 1 is hard reset the system. Unplug the dishwasher or turn the dedicated circuit breaker off. Wait for 5 minutes, plug the machine back in or turn the breaker on. Attempt to run a cycle. Second fix is check for a stuck button. Press each button on the control panel firmly, one at a time to ensure none are stuck or depressed. Wipe down the control panel with a slightly damp microfiber cloth to eliminate grease or grime. Ensure the cleaning does not interfere with the touch sensor. Third fix is inspect the water supply. Verify that the hot water supply valve under the sink is fully turned on. Check the inlet hose for any kinks or pinch behind the dishwasher unit. Fourth fix is clean the filter and drain. Remove the bottom dish rack from the tub. Twist the cylindrical filter assembly out of the bottom. Wash the mesh and plastic filter underarm, running water to eliminate grease and debris. Check the bottom drain area for stray glass bones or large food particle. Fifth fix is check for base pan leak. Turn off power at the circuit breaker. Remove the power kick plate below the dishwasher door. Inspect the base pan with a flashlight for standing water or suds. Soak up any water with a towel or wet dry shop vacuum. Allow the area to dry before testing the machine. If water return, check for an active leak from the door seal, inlet valves or pump seals that need repair. Thanks for watching.